Fluent Flow podcast. New videos every day. Let's learn English together. English podcast, my daily routine in English. Title, A Day in My Life, Jenny's Daily Routine. Hello everyone, and welcome to my podcast. My name is Jenny, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this episode, I want to share something simple but personal, my daily routine in English. If you're learning English, this is a great way to learn new words and practice listening. Let's get started. Morning routine. Every day, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is check my phone. Yes, I know, it's a bad habit. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, and drink coffee. I love coffee in the morning, it helps me feel awake and ready for the day. While I eat, I sometimes listen to music or watch a short video on YouTube in English. Work or study time. After breakfast, around 8:30 or 9 a.m., I start working. Right now, I'm focused on growing my YouTube channel and my podcast. I also spend time learning English every day. I practice by reading, listening, and speaking. Even if I make mistakes, I keep going. I usually work or study until noon. Then I take a break for lunch. Afternoon activities. In the afternoon, I sometimes go outside to walk or run some errands. If I stay at home, I keep working on my content, writing scripts, recording, or editing my podcast. Around 3 o'clock or 4 p.m., I take a little break. I drink tea or have a snack. Sometimes I read a book or check my social media. Evening routine. In the evening, I prepare dinner. I like simple meals like rice, vegetables, and chicken. After dinner, I relax a little. I might watch a movie or a TV series, often in English with subtitles. It helps me learn new words and improve my listening skills. Before bed, I try to read a few pages of a book or write in my journal. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. But before I sleep, I always say to myself, "You did your best today. Keep going tomorrow." And that's my daily routine. Thank you for listening to my podcast. If you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, my name is Jenny, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day, and keep learning English, one step at a time. See you in the next episode. Here have new videos every day. Thank you for watching. Bye.